All right, today we're gonna bring a bottle warmer, and this is not just for baby bottle warmer, but you can actually use it for tea and coffee too. I just noticed that because look at the degrees of how hot you want your actual substance to be. You could have 98 all the way to 158 Fahrenheit, all right? And this dispensary is very simple. It's just you add the water on the top, and the actual water drips on the bottom into any kind of container you have. It could be a baby bottle. If you're going to do formula, this is perfect. It's made for babies, but I just noticed that you could pretty much use it for anything you want. I mean, dispensing the water is very simple, as you can see how much water you have, and make sure you use the still water or clean filter water, because if you use tap water, calcium might be built up or something like that. So just make sure that you're aware of that first prior to that. Cleaning is very simple. You could actually clean it to the bottom. Filtration system, it's your own filtration system you have to. There is no filter on this one. It's just gonna boil the water and get it to a certain point. So for babies, I would say 96, 98, and you could even go high less than that. If you want it too hot, you can go hotter than that, but my recommendations, they're on there. Keep it there. So it's very simple to set up. When you come in here, you just take this out of the bottom. You get the indentations that you see on the side, and it just snaps in there, and the whole setup is ready to go. Now, this one fits in a backpack. You could take it with you on a hotel, on a road. I know a lot of hotels have microwave these days, but this is a perfect item to carry with you, not just for the baby, but if you want to wake up with a nice morning coffee, this could be it too, or a cup of tea, you can do that too. So we're going to put it to a test and see how it works. You guys can see the instructions are right simple. You just open it up, pour the water, place it in place, and that's pretty much it. And these are the no-nos to wash it, because you're not supposed to wash it in the sink. You're not supposed to rinse it out. You're not supposed to throw it out, and because it actually wets some of the circuitry. So this is a no-no. You gotta make sure you only do this, drain it out, and clean it manually. All right, turning it on. If you guys can see it, it just, once you plug it in, it's ready to go. It says off. So right now we're gonna go into 90, and it's very sensitive. We're gonna put this do 105, 104, right? And if you guys notice, once you set it up for a couple of seconds, it beeps and it starts boiling. All right, the system just beeped right now. It says it's ready. So we're gonna see how hot it is. So let's go ahead and check out the thermal camera and see if it's really hot. We see it super hot in there, and we're gonna spill some water in here into this dispensary. We're gonna push the button, and I'm gonna try to move so you guys can see the water flowing. Look at that. And it is warm. You can see it. It's getting hot in the bottom. You guys can see the different water. We're dispensing the water in the baby bottle. And right now it's supposed to be 100, so we're gonna see if it really goes to 100. But you can see it hot in there, and it is hot, so it's about 100. So we're filling the baby bottle. If you guys can see it, look at the water, and you can see the heat dispensary in there. So let's go ahead and take it off and stop the camera and bring the thermal. All right, we got our baby bottle. It is warm right now. It is warm. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the heater, the thermometer, and it's warming up. It's about 106. Look at that. Look at that. It's 106. So it did do 104. It's a little bit 106. That's not bad. That's pretty accurate, if I gotta say myself. So this thing is a hit. It's easy. 104. It's warm. It's really warm to the touch. So very simple. You could go up to 158 in this one maximum. Simple to set up. The knob is very easy to move around. It tells you exactly what you want. Right now we're going to turn it off. We hit it off, it just goes blinks, and then it turns red, and then it turns off. So very easy to use this machine. I hope you guys enjoy the video.